So I have decided to vlog today because I'm meeting my friend Emily. I think we're going to go sort of have a look around the shops and stuff. I think I've already put some vlog clips in of the start of my day, but this is me properly introducing the vlog. Let me just stop the camera because I'm filming my phone so I can show you my outfit. Okay, so this is my outfit of today. My hair does not look brill. I've just got this New York top on from Topshop, this belt on from Primark, and these Levi jeans. This is a Fitbit, by the way, if you think it looks weird. It just counts my steps, but it's a bit hard to disguise, but with a coat on it will look a bit better. But yeah, this is my outfit. Not a very nice day really. It's supposed to rain later, I think. But yeah, sorry that I'm like speaking like this. It's because I'm obviously doing it on my phone, so I can't chop and change. I might be able to, yeah. Okay, so I think this is on me. By looking in my mirror I can see that it's facing me. But yeah, not that nice weather today, to be honest, but it'll be fine. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much because it is supposed to rain today. Yeah, I'm just going to try out my phone on my selfie stick and see what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the selfie stick. Probably a lot better, but who knows? It looks definitely a lot more strained. Let me see if I can show you in the mirror. Okay, you can't really see in that one. Obviously it's a lot more obvious because it's stuck out quite far. But we will see. It's that kind of weather where I just have no idea what coat to wear. Because if it's going to rain, I'm going to need an umbrella and probably a waterproof coat. Okay, so just switching back to normal. I think the camera might have cut off then. But this is the final outfit. Nearly said OOTD then. So I'm just wearing this coat, which is a bit of a risk if it is going to rain. But I've got an umbrella in my bag. Yeah. My boyfriend just said apparently I look like a child in this. Which is great, because that's definitely the look I'm going for. But yeah. I'm off to go drive, pick up Emily now. Potentially we'll see if I can prop my phone up in the car. If not, you'll see me when I'm with Emily. Anyway,
hi guys, this is my channel.
This is my channel.
Oh,
yeah.
This could work.
We're trying a car vlog.
I reckon that could work.
Okay, watch when we drive off and it'll go straight away. Oh, look at us all professional.
Look, we basically are like Mark and Zoe.
We might as well.
For fuck's sake! Literally started the engine. No!
I blue tacked it to my mirror this morning.
Did it work?
Yeah, it's a time lapse.
We should have got blue tack.
Oh yeah, I didn't think of that.
Right, now try. Stay.
All eyes are on you. Ooh.
Oh, it's going well.
Ooh.
No, it's not. Okay, well,
This would be a great entertaining vlog.
Let's one more time, and if it doesn't work, then I'll just talk to it. Hi, my name's Emily.
Hi, my name's Emily too. How do I get to Newport?
You can go straight, or you can go any way. Basically, you want to go. Let us go. Rude.
I know. I really thought it would be nice.
See out the light now.
For fuck's sake! Right, this is failing me so badly.
Oh, you can just be on me.
Okay.
Oh look.
Oh god.
Hey. No, okay. We're gonna give up on this for now.
Yeah.
See you in a bit. Goodbye.
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 We're going out this Saturday.
buzzing. I'm gonna vlog that, I think.
Do it, please. It'll be so funny.
And because our drunk vlogs are just funny.
They actually
Okay.
are. I watch them back all the time.
Me too.
There's our old school.
There's our old school. This is some cars and the road.
Just trying to get out.
I mean, not that the Isle of Wight's very exciting, but we need Caitlin.
Oh, I miss her so much. Okay, so we've just got to Newport. We're just vlogging while it's quiet. Oh great, my hair looks amazing.
Oh yeah, I mean I look appalling. So
We did try and car vlog, but it didn't go quite to
Right,
plan.
you've probably seen those clips.
Yeah, I'll probably put those in just for the lols. Oh, getting attacked by a tree. We're currently debating whether I get my nose pierced today.
I wanted to get it done. I said in
I'm
my
really
vlog earlier that Emily might get her nose pierced.
Oh, I really want it done. We'll just buy M&S.
Classic.
Update you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye. Yeah, I do. We're just in Topshop. Is there anyone else in?
No.
No. Yeah, we're just in Topshop trying some stuff on. I really like it.
I think I'm gonna get it.
Do it.
Because
And with a black top, you could wear it on a night out. It's green, by the way. It looks very black in camera. Zooming into your eyes.
Is it too short?
No, I don't think so. Most skirts nowadays are really short anyway.
I can put it's because where it's bigger.
And you can wear it with tights sometimes, like when it's a bit colder.
Yeah, I like it. I think it looks nice.
I really like
Actually
it with the
quite like
jumper.
it with the jumper,
Yeah. I hate how
Really
zoomed in
jumper.
the video goes.
Really zoomed in.
Yeah.
I'll get it. I mean, to be fair, I can wear it without a jumper, a belt. It's not like
I think
down,
with a jumper, I think no belt, but maybe if you were wearing it like a night out.
it needs to be tighter, more like cinch.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get it. Okay.
Awesome. I can kind of show. We've established that it's a beach cover up, but I don't actually like it that much. I'm just gonna try this on. So I'm just trying on this jumper. I quite like it, but what do we think?
Oh, I like.
Is it too similar to the Zara jumper?
No, because it's got different. I like these.
I know, so do I. Here we are, very different outfits. Hello. We're at Kohlrabi now, which is a place on the Isle of Wight.
It actually is. What do you say?
It's some place on the Isle of Wight. Yeah, it actually is. It's a cute cafe.
Oh, I'm really annoyed about my hair.
Yeah, it's
It was
horrible.
straight.
Let's spin it round so they can see what
My
it's.
hair?
No, the rain. Look at that. It's nasty.
It's nasty.
Yeah,
But yeah,
we're gonna get food.
I'm starving.
We'll update you when we're in there,
Yeah, I'll update you how curly my hair goes.
and I'll update you how straight mine goes.
I was literally go the opposite ways. Probably like
She's pretty too. Honestly, I would
just
die
for
for
1
your
second.
hair.
I hate my hair.
I love your natural hair.
I hate my natural hair.
Right, bye. Here it is. Some pigs. Oh, they've got piglets at the moment as well. I went and saw those the other day.
Oh yeah, I know.
I don't think you can see
videos of them.
There's some pigs over
The pigs
there.
are so fat, aren't they?
I know. Oh god, I nearly fell down a hole. I won't put you in it, don't worry.
No, it's nice. It's nice soup. Thank you. We appreciate it. No.
So we are now actually off to the gym. I've just shoved my hair up in a ponytail because, you know, to get it out my face. Emily is not currently sat here because she's just had to run and get her card. Yeah, we're just going to the gym. Had a really nice lunch. We're very full now. And it's still horribly raining. So yeah, I'm wearing my top that was in my Primark haul. If you didn't watch that, you should. No, I'm joking. This was in my Primark haul though. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Emily to get her card now, and then we'll be off. We might vlog in there, potentially, depending on how busy it is. Yeah, and the only reason I've got a full face of makeup on is obviously because we're going at, I'm just trying to see what the time is, 2:15. So we've obviously been out for the day and now we're off. My hair looks honestly so bad because it's got wet. So it's like, it's just not really a good look, is it, Emily? It'll do. But yeah, she's still not back. Only lives around the corner. Also, I'm annoyed. Look at the rubbish that I just found in my car, left by my mum. Packet of bloody Rich Tea fingers. Not impressed. So I need to go find a bin. I'm sure there'll be one with it, which I also smudged with my eye makeup because it's raining. So now I don't really have like a wing on this eye, but I do on this eye. Yeah, just using my phone to sort out how I look, to be honest. But yeah, we'll update you if I can in the gym, maybe. Depends how awkward it will be. So I'm back now and we're just making dinner. You'll have to put them in like last. So I really don't want mushrooms in with mine.
So they have to cook separately? Well, the mushrooms can go in there.
Once I've got my meat in there.
Yeah, alright, you'll have to take some out.
Yeah. We're having spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah,
We're just making the sauce. Yeah, I'm talking to my vlog. Or the beginning of the sauce anyway. Mince is going in now to cook. Stirring me onions. Just excuse the horrible spotty face. So I can't remember if I properly updated. But obviously me and Emily went to the gym. I've come back, I've had a shower, I've taken off my makeup, as you can tell. And yeah, obviously making the tea now. We're having spag bowl, which is very exciting. Sorry about the hideous lighting. Also my room's a bit messy at the mo. There's also a cat on my windowsill. I don't know if you can see. Bless him. But yeah, I'm going to update you throughout the dinner process. I'm absolutely starving, and also so annoying how zoomed in the video is on the iPhone. But we'll just roll with that. Just about to add 2 tins of chopped tomatoes into the onion. Just waiting for it to brown a bit more. I'm waiting for the mince to cook. Now just giving this another stir. At what point does the other stuff go in? They like the stock cube and stuff. Oh, okay. So then I'm just going to add a little vegetable stock cube in, some tomato puree, some soy sauce, and some Worcestershire sauce into here while this is still cooking. I'm just grating some cheese now. can't have a spaghetti bolognese without cheese.
Pardon?
I feel like you can't have a spaghetti bolognese without cheese.
No.
They're not quite as nice.
How are you cooks getting on?
Yeah, fine. Thanks. God, he must be starving.
You can literally time the clock by Wilbur, can't
I
you?
know.
Good boy.
That's why I always say to them, it's got a little clock.
So we just finally put the spaghetti in. We're just waiting for that to cook, and then it will be done.
Wilbur doesn't like that.
No, I don't think he does.
Right, that's Mum's.
Does she not want any more?
Well, she said she didn't want much, so she can always have a bit more. How much do you want?
That's probably enough for me, to be fair.
Sure?
Yeah.
You want a bit more?
Okay, yeah. Should I turn these off?
Yeah, turn them off now.
Haven't you?
I've got a crumpets for breakfast.
Oh, I love crumpets.
Right, put that back over there. They're turned off now.
Yeah, they should be. That's Mum's.
Oh, you confused me. 'Cause
Oh, sorry.
you mixed them up. I think that's going to be about the right amount.
Oh, yes then.
Boom. Is that right?
Yeah.
Right, you go and have yours then.
Okay, I'm just going to put some cheese on it. Here's the finished product. With some cheese. Yum!
Tony, please be happy. You deserve to be happy. Please be happy. I love how much you love your wife, and I can't wait.
Okay, so I'm just going to end the vlog here. I'm just in bed, actually ready to go to sleep, or nearly anyway. Got Wilbur here, wanting to get underneath the duvet. I need to keep focusing on these lights because otherwise they look awful. But yeah, just going to end the vlog now. Probably going to edit it for a bit now. I don't think it needs much, to be honest. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little day out with me, I guess, with my friend Emily. And yeah, obviously trying to upload once a week at the moment, actually. I mean, I uploaded last week, and then this will be up just after a week from that last video, and then I'm going to film something else which will hopefully be up the week after. Probably not making literally any sense, but yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next video.